Hi, this video is going to be on the form of Much Ado About Nothing. Now you may have noticed that when you read the text aloud that there's a certain kind of rhythmic pattern to it, and that's because it uses blank verse. Now blank verse is a poetic form that is made up of unrhymed lines of iambic pentameter, and you can see the use of it in this quote here. So iambic pentameter is made up of one unstressed syllable followed by a stressed syllable, and you can hear that when you read it aloud. Some Cupid kills with arrows, some with traps. Now these red highlighted syllables are the stressed ones. Now Shakespeare often uses blank verse in many of his plays, but one of the key things in Much Ado About Nothing that we can pick up on is that he reserves blank verse for the higher class characters and prose for the lower class characters. So prose is unmetered text, and we often see characters such as the watch or Dogberry use this. So hopefully you can see how important understanding the form of Much Ado About Nothing is. Thanks for listening.